Oh, yuck. Stick around if you want to know how I got this refrigerator into that dumpster. What's up, everybody? Mike with Me vs. Junk, where I work for a junk removal company as my side hustle to help provide for my family. The best way to help support my work is by giving me a thumbs up, liking this video, and hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's get right into it. This is a video of me removing a refrigerator all by myself. The refrigerator goes, but so do all the contents inside, and you saw that video. Absolutely disgusting. I'll usually bring up a garbage can and empty the refrigerator first, but given how gross that was, I just didn't want to deal with it. Ideally, you'd be using a hand truck or a floor dolly, but I didn't have one on site. So good old-fashioned brute force was the way to get it done. I also didn't want the doors to pop open, so I grabbed a roll of scrap tape I found and taped this sucker up. And that's how you get it done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Me vs. Junk.